Hey Hal, what's up? I don't know, Red. I just feel very lonely and forgotten. I was never in any of the Angry Birds tunes, and I just need someone to love me. Well, there's Stella. She's with Chuck, remember? How about Matilda? She's with Bomb, and is she even a she? Um...
Shut up!
God, I hate Justin Bieber. He's just so annoying. Well, Red, be glad that it wasn't. Oh, come on, Hal. Cheer up. You'll find someone. Besides, you're not all that forgotten. You're visible in 2 scenes for the trailer for the Angry Birds movie. 2 scenes without a voice. Nice try, Red, but I'm too ugly for anyone to like me.